I'm talking about making predictions for a least squares regression line. So making a prediction, once you have your least squares regression line, I'm going to use an example where I already have one. I'm using this. Here's my slope and y-intercept. I'll clear this out. So we're looking at this least squares regression line right now. I'm going to highlight it. That. So that's the least squares regression line for this data up here. So I'm going to make a prediction based on that line. And I'm actually going to show you how to draw this line. So what you do first is you take the x value you want. So if I want to predict the number of sales at 70 ad dollars, x was ad dollars, y was sales, I can plug it into my regression equation, plug 70 in, and I get a value out, which is awesome. So what you do is you can actually put your prediction on the actual scatter plot itself. So what let's do this. So we're going to put it up here. We have 70 ad dollars, 36. Okay, so I'll do it in the green highlighter. At about 70 ad dollars, get about 36. That green square is a prediction. I also earlier had did a problem where I predicted at $110 and I had gotten 53. So I'm just using a second prediction because I don't want to spend the time to do the math to do it, but I do remember from class that we had done that. And what you're going to do to draw the least squares regression line, I totally drew this one in kind of the wrong spot, but to draw the least squares regression line, you actually just connect the dots and go through. Now, making a prediction has some, so that's just drawing the prediction. And now making a prediction has a couple of upsides and downsides. If you're predicting within the scope of your data, so if I'm predicting in x values from about here to here, let's be real, I don't want to go past 100. If I'm going for x values about here to here, where the green line is, that's going to be a really good prediction. I see data right there. If I'm predicting outside of that line, that's not going to be a great prediction. So where yellow is, because I don't know what's actually happening there. Like, I don't know, like, that's more advertising money than we were willing to spend. Will people really keep buying this many items? Or if you predict down, like the y-intercept is actually a prediction at 0. So when I plug in 0 for x, I get the y-intercept out. It's -5, because you plug 0, just wipes that out. -5 items. Can you sell negative items? It's not possible. So beyond your data, it doesn't make sense. So there's two words for this. The first word is interpolation. That's for the green area. And then the second word is extrapolation. That is for the yellow. So whether you are at the beginning, I'll even copy it and paste it over here. So predicting within your data is called an interpolation, and predicting outside of your data is called extrapolation. Like extra is like outside, too much or too little. And that's how you know those words. So an interpolation is a good prediction. An extrapolation is, we still use them, but it's typically not as reliable. Interpolations are quite reliable usually. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much.